Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be having a look at the Autofit manual rear view mirror, available for around 800 rupees. It can be a replacement of your old rear view mirror of your bike, or if it's broken like mine. And as I have purchased from Flipkart, so as usual, let's unbox the product and find out how is the product quality. So here's the box packed by the seller in this weird old box. Hope the product is not old like the box. Let's cut from this side and open it. And here you can see the mirror wrap in bubble wrap. Let me take it out. And that's all, nothing is left inside. And wrapped in this newspaper piece, we have some screw, I guess. We got some mounting rubber pads and some nuts for fixing the mirror in the bike. For now, we'll keep the nuts inside and have a look at the product itself. So here it is, and this is how it looks like. The mirror have this kind of sharp angles. The clarity is good and clear. The quality of the plastic used is also good, and the arm of the mirror is made of aluminum. It feels sturdy and of good quality. The bottom clamp part is also of the same material, and the holes are here for mounting the mirror. Let's check the other one. This piece is also in good condition. Can't find any damage to the product. Before, I was doubting about the product inside as the packaging was very poor. It was also wrapped by some pieces of newspaper, and now it's turned out to be fine, and plus the quality is also very good. I am happy with the quality of the product. For the price it came in, I guess it is a good buy. Considering the price, the overall feel and looks of the product is really good. I will touch it in my bike and show you all the final look of the mirror. And if you guys need the installation video of the mirror, comment down below. So that's all in this video guys. If you have liked the video, do subscribe and share the video, and see you all in my next video. Stay home, stay safe.